I've lived in 7 different states, and never have I had. They wanted to make sure I was happy with everything. They explained how to use everything. Name is Louise Craybill, and I live in Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania. The house was 2 years old. We had spent a winter here, and we didn't have a storm door, and I could feel the cold air coming in when I would take the dog out, so I knew we needed one. What I like is I can open it up, and it just fills the room with light. And I can open the screen because the screen is in the door. I love that feature. The storm door is aesthetically beautiful. You know it's there, but it doesn't scream, I'm a storm door. I met with the salesperson. He went over everything. I mean, I was probably pushing him more, saying, I know what color I want. He said, but I want you to see them. I said, okay, we'll see them. All the choices that were made by me. But he gave me all the choices. I wanted it to be fancy. I wanted to have the screens in the storm door so I'm not dragging them out in the fall or dragging them out in the spring. I liked the fact that they would let me know what's going on. When it was time, they sent me another email saying it's in. They were here on time and they got to work. And they cleaned up after themselves. It was like they weren't here. They worked constantly. And I did talk to them because they were kind. They were here in my home. This is my land. And they were a joy to have here. I've lived in 7 different states, and never have I had. They wanted to make sure I was happy with everything. They explained how to use everything. And then we had a wonderful gentleman come out. He came out and he was a joy, and we were talking. That's when he asked, would I want to do this? And I didn't have to hesitate. I would tell them, read the sign, take the number, come look at my door, open, close it, see all the wonderful features. Everything about this company is class. It's A1. They will tell you exactly what they're going to do. They will keep you informed, and then they do it. They don't screw around with you, or when you call in, who are you? I don't know. They know who you are from the beginning of the process all the way through.